Nod your head right now if you want to feel strong and sculpted. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And oh, I know you're gonna love this workout because it's gonna produce amazing results for you. So this is a little snippet of a full-length workout that can only be found exclusively inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. This workout is gonna make you so strong and so sculpted and feel so good. And that's what we all want, right? So for this workout, I do use a pair of 3-pound weights. If you've got 3-pound weights, go ahead and grab them right now, but don't worry, there's no excuse to skip a workout here. You can do this workout using 2 pounds, even 5 pounds, or 0 pounds. You're gonna definitely feel it. So it's a little bit of a cardio workout along with some arm sculpting, and I know that y'all love that. So let's get into it and meet me back here when we're done.
Let's go into tricep jacks. So you're gonna press those arms out, having the palms facing back behind you here. Okay, again, low impact would just be this, okay? Pick whichever feels best for you. Now we're doing these jacks through the entire workout, so, you know, all different kinds of jacks. I pulled out all the stops for you today. So at any point you can go into those step outs. It's completely a-okay. Okay, pick up those weights. Both weights in your hand. If you can, keep the shoulders down your back. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and drop them down. Try to keep those elbows close to your body and down. It's 3, 2, 1, and down. Really focusing on that contraction in your tricep. 3, 2, 1, squeezing, good. 3, 2, 1, good, drop it down. 3, 2, 1, let's do one more for good measure. Good, and excellent. Okay, drop those weights down. We're gonna go into your half jacks here. Just bring those arms out to the side or a step out. Okay, breathing here, keep those shoulders down your back. Beautiful, beautiful work here. Yes, yes. Good, doesn't it feel good to just take some time to take care of you today, right? You deserve it, you are worth it. This is your time. Good, all right, grab those weights. Arms are gonna go forward and then straight out to the side. Try to keep the neck easy here. Keep that belly pulled in. Forward, straight arms, and out. You will never have a hard time lifting those bags of groceries. You will always be strong. And out, that's it. And forward, good. And out, keep going. That's it, last one here. Good and excellent. Okay, we're gonna go into crisscross feet here. So feet go in and out, okay? If you were doing the low impact modification, it's gonna just look like that, okay? The arms here are free. So just dancing arms, whatever feels good for you. You know, again, we love these to take it to the club, right? This is one of those for you. Okay, good. Breathe. And I know you're gonna love the next toning exercise. Oh yes. Okay, go ahead and grab the weights. Bring the palms so they're facing towards you. Squeeze and up and squeeze and up and squeeze. Good, and squeeze. Just notice I have these little scratches on my arms. I have no idea how. Possibly from my daughter, who knows? And good, not on purpose, of course. Squeeze and squeeze. Shoulders stay down your back. Good, squeeze, that's it. Squeeze, good. All right, so we love a squat jack, low impact. You're just gonna come in, okay, and just do that, all right? You don't have to touch the floor if you don't need to, or touch the floor, hop it in, okay? Really get low, keep that belly pulled in. Good. And I wanna see your gorgeous face the whole time, looking at me. Good, breathing. Whew. Good, you having fun? Oh yes, you should be. Whew. Breathe. Good, all right, excellent. Both weights in one hand if you can. If not, just one is fine. Hand on your belly, bring your arm forward on a diagonal. Press it back, okay? I'm just going, it's not a swing, okay? It's a controlled press back. Whew. Feel that work, feel that love, feel that toning in the back of that arm. Yes, very good. Keep on breathing here. Good. Excellent, one more like this. Okay, good. Drop them down. Now you're gonna do jacks either just like this, okay? or hop it out, pressing those arms out to the side. Told you it was a jumping jack festival today. Good, or a step jack festival, whatever you're doing. Good. You can't get bored in a workout like this, right? Constantly shifting, constantly changing, working all different angles. This is why you guys get such great results, right? Good, okay. Grab both those weights, and if you're doing both, or one is fine, and press on the other side, and press. The key thing here, well, two key things. The belly, up and in. That's why, sometimes I get asked, why do you put your hand on your belly? It's because I want to feel, am I drawing it in, or am I not, right? And then the other thing is making sure this doesn't go into your neck. We want to really keep the shoulders down your back, okay? Keep the collarbones wide, and you are controlling this movement. All right.
Wasn't that so fun? Now, I know, my arm workouts are really my most popular workouts here on YouTube. And I thank you so much for really loving my arm workouts. And that's exactly why I created my signature program, Amazing Arms, in just 7 days. Listen, I know you're super busy. And I also know that you want to have really beautiful, feminine, sculpted arms that kind of just look like you naturally have great arms, right? So if that's the look that you're going for, you're going to love Amazing Arms in just 7 days. I'll leave it here, and also it'll be linked down in the description box. I cannot wait to celebrate your success from getting Amazing Arms next. Now, if you want to keep things going here and you want to sweat with me a little bit more, make sure to check out this workout next, and I'll see you there.